Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to journey into the heart of Russian cuisine with a classic dish, vegetarian borscht. Now, before we dive in, let's not forget the ongoing debate between Russians and Ukrainians over which country's national dish it is. Let's keep it light with a little joke, Russian or Ukrainian. It's like asking me if I'm more fond of the sun or the moon. Both are equally delicious. Now, back to our culinary adventure. The first key step is selecting fresh and high-quality ingredients for your borscht. Remember, for the best results, go for organic vegetables and use filtered water if possible. Don't forget to rinse everything thoroughly to remove any remaining dirt or unwanted elements. Next comes the chopping of vegetables. This is where patience and care come in. Chop evenly and consistently for the best texture and taste. For those rough chopped vegetables, it's best to cut them into 1 4-inch pieces. And for our fine dice, shoot for 1 8-inch pieces. Now onto the cooking process. Start by sautéing onions and garlic in a little butter until they turn translucent. Then add all your chopped vegetables, beets, potatoes, cabbage, carrots, and saute them until they soften slightly. Next comes the broth. Beef stock mixed with tomato juice gives this vegetarian borscht its unique flavor profile. Finally, once everything is cooked through and tender, it's time to add sour cream and dill for that classic Russian touch. And there you have it, a delicious vegetarian borscht that everyone will love. A big thanks to all you culinary enthusiasts out there who join me on this journey through food culture. Remember, cooking is an art form. Enjoy every step of the process. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bon appetit!